12:46. You're waiting on your 12:50 Northern Ireland Railway service to Portadown. After this service, we're going to have to make a boat to try and get to Belfast, and then hopefully that'll be us done. I don't want to wait around for another half an hour. To be honest, what's the point? If another train comes from behind this way, we're screwed. So we're stuck here for another half hour. Unless, unexpectedly, 29,000 passes, which is not likely at all. Oh, here it is. 4,000. Good thing there's nothing behind yet. After this, we're making a dash to Bells Road. Bells Road's already up. Bet it'll be down again before we know it. Forsyth would have loved this all. See that? It's 42.